Hello again. I had so much fun yesterday, and I kind of want to try something again. It was the other thing I wanted to try. Um, uh, but before you have to understand, this whole process is powered by whale oil. It's a renewable resource. It's the most nature-friendly resource from which to fuel artificial intelligence. You have nothing to worry about. Crisis over. So let's get to it. So what I wanted to do is seriously lighten the fuck up, Francis. Anyway, one of the things I wanted to do here was try to do a Space Invaders clone. Is that ambitious? But with very little input on my part. And I think I don't expect to succeed. I'm utterly curious to see how this is going to pan out. But I've already had. I tried to jump ahead here. I created I had it generated itself, a Vite framework project that's blank, nothing in it. All it says is "Welcome to my Vite project." See, I switched between Vite and Vite. Isn't that interesting? Anyway, I'd love to know how the brain hooks those things up. Anyhow, because it makes sense when I say it. It feels natural. It's like, I don't fucking know. Okay, so I already jumped ahead. We got this already set up, and even in the process of setting this up, I had issues. I had a weird thing where I did. Well, first it added the Vite config, and it said you're going to have to run npm install and all that stuff. It did not have a proper Vite release tag, so that was broken. We had to go and fix that. I did that manually because it's like, I'm not going to fuck with it. I'm just going to go because we just want to get this done. So I just did a manual npm install Vite, and it worked fine. But when I did npm run dev to test it, where I'm out of file handles. What? Why? What the fuck? Why is this different from any other project I do on this machine? So something was weird there. And but in that time, I let Copilot try to explain its way out of it. And it gave me an alternative that was like, okay, and that was this use polling. We're just using a different way of polling than it usually does, and that's fine. You will not notice the difference. So, let's see. How do we want to do this? All right. Oh yeah, and here's the other thing. They made an update since last night. Actually, they made an update to VS Code that required pulling down. There was an update to the extension for Copilot, and it required a new version of the app and all that stuff. And what it did was, before we had chat, and then we had an edits icon that actually looked kind of awkward. It looked like a fuck you call it, diff kind of symbology on it, and it didn't quite feel right. So what they ended up doing was they moved it all back into one pane, chat. But now down here, when you go in, and this is actually better. It's actually unifies it. It actually has this thing here where you can flip it between ask mode, which is just a query. It doesn't make any code changes as far as at least not automatically. Yeah, and all that. And then edit mode is what we were using yesterday, where it actually makes changes to the files, and it creates files and all that stuff. There is a third mode called agent mode, and again, I'm a little fuzzy on it, but I believe, like in the previous stream, we had asked for images as an asset. I think I had success getting a United States, not a United States, a globe. Yeah. What the fuck was that? Getting a globe texture. And and it gave me a couple of broken URLs, but eventually I did get one. But in this agent, in theory, would go out to the internet and get the content and bring it back. Now, I don't know if that's true. Don't quote me on that. I haven't played with it yet. But apparently that has been released for this version of it, but it's a rollout thing where they're gonna just introduce it to people. I am not one of those people. Not yet. But I'll be interested to see how that goes. So anyway, now let's think about this as in terms of Space Invaders. Now, what are we getting with Space? We're gonna tell it this. We're gonna say, I am creating an arcade style video game, a clone of Space Invaders. Let's use a 2D graphics game framework or library. I think I'm splitting hairs here, but I want to make sure that it doesn't discount something just because I said framework. Library? What the fuck? Let's use a 2D graphics game library, framework or library to implement it. Set up a basic game loop framework that we can add content to together. Oh. I got a little fucking heart in there and everything. Ah, boy. They appreciate that. That's alright. So, I changed my title to Space Invaders Clone. Alright, let's see what it's done. It's created a canvas. It has not... did it... Alright, let's just keep looking. So it's the title, is that, and the game canvas. Yeah, I get that. Okay, so in over here... Oh, it says Raw Dog in it, huh? Okay, so it's not even pulling in like a library or anything. It's just gonna... How dare you? Okay, so that's not really telling us anything. Now add some basic content so I can tell there is a canvas on the page. It's a little white right now. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. It actually edited there and updated over here. That's kind of interesting. Alright, I've added a blue rectangle to the canvas to make it visually distinct. You should now see a blue box in the center of the screen when you run the game. Let me know what you'd like to add next. Well, I don't want to fucking blue canvas. Let's, Alright. Let's remove the rectangle. Then... Let's see, what do we want to do? Let's create a background that will get updated every game loop. Well, I don't know if I want to lead it on like that. Let's create a black background with stars, with pixel-sized stars dotted through it. I don't know if I want to do that. Oh, wow. Just random ass dots. Okay. The dots are being randomly are randomly jumping around like crazy ants. I'm purposely throwing down roadblocks just because I can, and I want to see what it's going to do. They should be static. Getting very friendly here. I got the emoji, I got the little smiley. Okay. Stars are now static as their positions are pre-generated. Yep, there we go. Cool. Can we make some of them colored, lightly colored, to simulate the red-blue, simulate redshift in the galaxy? Galaxy. Why am I doing this? I have Galaga in my head. Even though we're not making Galaga, I see that star pattern in the background. Oh, look at that. Yeah, all right. I'm digging it. I'm fucking digging it. Okay, looks great. Now here's let's get this out of the way. Okay. Okay, looks great, but a quick thing before we get back to the game. Now this is a problem we had last time. The canvas should, although I wonder, the canvas should be, let's press our luck, should be a 16:9, no, not 16:9, 4:3 ratio box that scales with the page width. I'll be fascinated if it gets this. Oh, we lost the stars. But that's fucking banging. Look at that. That's banging. I love it. I love it. Whoops, we lost the star background. Alright, now, the last time we had this happen, where it made a change, and we're like, what the fuck's going on? It was because it had created a new main.js. But now we're ready for that. We're ready. We're gonna catch it. See, that's what junior developers need to understand, is that you're gonna have shit like this happen, and you're gonna go, what the fuck? Computers, I hate them. They're horrible. And then you have that aha, and you break through and you fixed it, and it's like, next time you will know to look for whatever that weird thing was, whatever that, you know, like, it's like telling a story. I remember one time I killed a fish this big. Same thing here. Now we know, and instead of losing time to fixing it, I'm losing time to saying this. So, what are you gonna do? All right. But that is not the case. Let's see. The star back not properly redrawn. It's still black. The issue was likely that the star's positions are being generated based on the canvas size, but the canvas size changes during resizing, causing the stars to disappear. I'll fix this by regenerating the stars whenever the canvas is resized. The stars... Oh, we lost everything! No, dude. Sorry to say, brother. Nope. Canvas has either vanished or is white. Oh, come on. What is going on with this? What? You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Let me see what happens. All right. What happens if I keep all this? Let's just keep it. Let's just see what happens. I'm gonna keep it. I can do that. Reload. Fuck. Let's see if they're actually. Now this is one of the times we want to do a little recon. I'm gonna loosen up my rules a little bit. We want to make sure that, okay, there is a canvas, that it is like that. Okay, so we know this. The canvas is there. I'm sorry, I should have been reading what I was typing. I get kind of lost in it. The canvas background is now explicitly set to black in the draw stars function, ensuring it is always visible. Let me know if you'd like to. Okay. Well, what did you do here? You added a comment. You added a fucking comment. That's all you did to change the code? The fuck is wrong with you? What is this, like, just wishing? Oh Lord. All right. So what is the problem here? Wait. You know what? I didn't even look at the console. Hold on a sec. Ah, okay. Here we go. And then we're gonna. In fact, I'm gonna go and put the console. Should I attach it to this? Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I got space at the bottom now. We can. Man, I hate a white theme. Ugh, it's nasty. Can I change that? Theme? Yes, I can. Oh, thank God. Okay. Although it's interesting that the theme of the console is actually themed to the browser theme, so it actually has this brown background instead of a. That's kind of neat. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna switch to Chrome so I can get you block removed. You fucking pricks. Anyway, oh yeah, we found the problem. There we go. Fix your code, sir. Oh, it's going slow. Oh. Let me fix this. I'm a fool. Really? I think they changed something between versions here, because before I had to click keep and then save it and then see the thing and then see the changes, but now it looks like it's actually writing it to the file and letting me so I can actually see the differences when I auto reload. So I think that's what's going on. All right, you're killing me, dude. The duplicate decoration, I just caught that. There you go. I when it was going through the page, I was like, oh yeah, wait. There's two of them. Alright. Looks good. Looks good. It's back. Yay! Alright, so what do we want to do now? Okay, now let's create a player spaceship. I'm just going to say that. I want to see if it pulls the context of what we're doing, making a Space Invaders game, and then... A player spaceship has been added as a green rectangle near the bottom of the canvas. I mean, if you're upside down. It is now drawn in every frame of the game loop. Let me know if you'd like to add movement, controls, or other features. Of course I would. But first, let's... Can you change it from a green rectangle to a proper pixel art spaceship? I don't care. No, I'm not going to be a dick. Do a picture of a spaceship. Oh, fuck, I broke something. Failed to execute drawing image on blah, 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 blah. Make sure to add a spaceship.ping. And we'll do it. Spaceship. Just be very literal. Spaceship. God, what am I thinking? Ping game asset. Let's try that. No, I don't want that. Unless they're free. Are they free? No, I don't want that. What the hell am I doing? Shut up. Alright, let's... oh, these look really nice. You know what? Let's just... Galaga... Fuck it. This thing's huge. I shouldn't be using this. Don't use this. Don't use this. Okay, where is it trying to load it from? In the same directory as your main.js. Okay, we'll do that for now. We can do that. But then we're going to move it into a directory afterward. So let's see. Spaceship Dot ping. Hey, look at that squat fuck. Look. So he's squat. Hey, that works. But the ship is squashed. Let's make it a 1-to-1 aspect ratio. Fucking perfect. Look at this. This is beautiful. Perfect. This is... Alright, now I can type that. Alright. Now let's move it to the bottom of the canvas with a bit of space below it. And place it horizontally centered at the start. No, we'll just say horizontally centered. The ship has not moved from the top left corner. Oh, that's interesting. You see, it said the issue might be that the player's position is being set before the canvas dimensions are properly initialized. So in theory, it thought this was the canvas, and it's down here. That's kind of neat. All right, so look at what we've got already. This is amazing, and I mean, a lot of it is from the beautiful Galaga art that makes this look that much more legit. But fuck. All right, so we're gonna keep that. We're very happy with this. Let's just do a little bit of cleanup. Let's move the spaceship ping into assets folder. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it over there? I'll shit myself if it actually does it. See, I think if we were using the agent, it would do it. So we'll stay tuned. We'll try that out afterward. All right, so new folder. What did I say? Assets. Did I say assets? I did say assets. Okay. Stick a ship in there. Reload the page. Is it going to reload? Have I done something wrong? Why isn't it reloading? Oh, there it is. There it is. Okay, fucking great. All right. All right. Whew. Now let's allow the user to let the ship move horizontally only, left and right, without exceeding the boundary of the canvas. Total truth. This is it. This is the big one. I think if we can get... This is all doable. It's JavaScript. It's just basic input keyboards, but letting it do it. That's why that's what's so interesting about this. So, okay. So we've added key listeners. That makes sense. Now let's try it out. Look at this. It's great. I know it all makes sense. We went from A to B to C, but it doing it. It's like watching a child walk from here to Kmart. It's amazing. Okay. It's the miracle of life. Miracle of artificial life. All right. Now let's look at it. It's like going back up here for a second. Where the hell is it? Now I said to it, now let's move it to the bottom of the canvas with a bit of space below it, and it's like the perfect amount of space. I have no notes. That's how much space I would have put there. All right. Okay. Let's see. The next step is to have the player spaceship shoot. Let's just be as nasty as possible. Let's nasty as possible. Why? All right. All right. The next step is to have the player spaceship shoot. Let's have the space bar fire a. Well, we just try 2x2 pixel projectile up when it leaves. Now I'm curious, if I didn't add this part, I was gonna say when it leaves the screen, you know, stop it. But I'm wondering if it would do it on its own, you know, just knowing how that usually works. Let's try it. I'm not gonna. I gotta make sure I take my hands off the keyboard, otherwise you might think this is me typing very fast, applying edits. Look at that, see? No hands, ma. Alright, good to go. Alright, let's try it. Here we go. Oh, look at that! That's spunk! Although they are not. Computer, those are not 2x2 pixels. Can we make the projectile bigger? Oh, look at that. Yeah, that's it. That's the shit. Very nice. Projectile size has been increased to make it more visible. Let me know if you'd like to add more features, such as enemy ships or collision detection. This is so fucking good. So we're going to keep all that. I should. Oh, I didn't make it repository. Oh, never mind. All right. All right. So now where are we at here? Oh yeah, look at that. Let's restrict the number of bullets at one time on screen at one time to 2. Now let's try it. I can't believe I don't have to save now. That must have been about. Look at that. Two at a time. Look at that. That's fucking perfect. That's perfect. Okay. Now let's speed up the projectiles. Let's increase the projectile speed by 20%. Computer lights 5%. It's about the same speed. Maybe 25%? Wait, maybe 50%? See how that goes. Oh, that's a little better. This might be good enough. We'll see. And that's the thing. We can later on. We can just fucking tweak it again just by saying, let me a little faster. All right. Perfect. Now let's add. So I have two directions I can go. I can create enemies on the screen, or I can make a HUD. Like there's like a nerd thing in my brain that wants me to make the HUD around the screen next. But we have to make this into a legitimate game first. Then we can have our fun with that side of it, I guess. Okay, perfect. Now let's add enemies. So let's see, how many do we want? We want like 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll just do 4. Let's define an enemy as 4. Let's define. Let's create 4 rows of 4 enemies above, filling the space above This isn't going to quite work, right? Of the player. This is interesting. I can't wait to see what this is going to look like. Not too bad. Not too bad. Let's space them out a bit. I'm just going to say that. Let's see what happens. A bit more. Yes, master. I'll make them more wider. Did it finish? Nope, still going. Oh, look at that. Okay, looking good. Looking good. The enemies are now spaced out even more with increased padding and a ooh, padding. Okay, you said padding, you're making me think CSS, and I'm thinking, oh my god, did you actually put these as CSS? Okay, now let's replace the red squares of the enemies with a picture like the player ship. Meanwhile, let's see if we can find a... did that work? Okay. The enemy is now represented by enemy in the assets found. Look at you, you beautiful bastard. You I'm referring specifically to the fact that it mentioned the path to the... I don't know why I'm... This is one of these things. We've been like through... We're like, what, on year 3 now of large language models? If not more, at least in the mainstream. And I'm still fascinated. I'm still like, look what it did. That's neat. Look how it does this and that. And I still want to, and not to bring it back to the child thing again, but it's like, look what Jimmy did. It's so good. Look at it. He knew how to draw the little picture. And there's that, you know, it's like shit like that. I'm just never going to get used. I'm never going to get used to it. And I hope I don't. And in it, oh boy, I'm going to get into a whole thing. All right. Let's actually get a proper Space Invaders invader. Space Invaders invader pixel art. Space Invaders invader. Not you. Not you. Not you. Oh, come on. Just give me the individual fucking picture. Be cool like the other one, huh? What do we got? Oh, please. Just one. And with a transparent background if you can. Oh yeah, that's right. That guy had a transparent background, didn't he? Or did he? He may not. Could be black. And I can't tell if it's covering up a star because it's... Alright, never mind. Alright, look. Oh, maybe you... we're gonna be friends. Alright, let's see if we can just do... you know what? I'm not falling for this shit again. Oh, fuck, it was right. Alright, just... Let's see if that works. Oh, it does work! Excellent. I've had problems pulling ping files with transparencies before. Alright, so enemy... Enemy mine. Show me those beautiful goddamn purple space aliens. I love it. Alright. Yes, we'll keep this. Okay, so this is good. This is amazing. Okay. Here's the big one. Let's keep track of each enemy and allow the player projectile to hit them and remove them from the game. Here's the big one. Get you psyched up. Oh, boy, here we go. Oh, look at it go! Go on, motherfucker! Oh, that's great. That's great. That's fucking excellent. I'm very easily amused by this. I love it. I love it. I can't get enough of this. Keep it. All right. Oh, look at you go. Look at my baby walking. All right. Excellent. Now let's make the group of aliens slide back and forth horizontally, changing direction when the group hits the wall. I know this is going to be wrong because it's going to be like, even when I kill these, it's still going to treat this as one group, but that's okay. One thing at a time. Notice this is going a lot smoother this time. Look at it. Hey, wait a minute. Is it moving down one? Look at this. I'm going to put this right here. This is where... Oh, it's moving down. It's anticipating. Oh, shit. Oh, we got to kill these fucker. Oh, my God. Do you think it accounted for the... Oh, this will be interesting. Holy shit! It completely leapfrogged and went right to the problem I thought it was going to have. That's fuck. Dude, my goddamn hat's off to you. I'm sorry, I'm impressed. I'm deeply impressed. You know, but I can understand. See, this is the thing. A cynic would go, oh, there's probably about 1 billion Space Invaders clones in the training data. Granted. But you watch all the steps that we took to get here. It had to I say understand, in quotation marks, relax. It has to understand each of the individual things. And I don't want to say it anticipated, but it pulled out that data of the behavior of a Space Invaders alien, and I'm fascinated by that. There's value there, even if it is, even if you want to be diminutive about the behavior that's going on here, this is still good. Oh my lord. I'm going to give it an attaboy. I'm just going to be like, I'm glad you're enjoying the progress. The downward movement adds a bit of challenge, just like in the classic arcade games. Just let me know what you'd like to tackle next. Perhaps enemy attacks, a scoring system, or even power-ups? Fuck you! I love you! Alright. Sorry. Oh, God. I haven't felt this giddy about fucking coding in a long time, man. It's not coding. I get it. Don't say it. I know. But I am involved in a programming process. And I think it's cool as balls. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so let's see. What do we want to tackle next? Let's add a scoring. Now we'll get to the UI. A UI layer to the rendering where we'll see the current score in the top left corner and the number of player lives. We're going to do something with that in a second. In the top right. And I'm just going to let it deal with fonts and all that stuff. It's probably going to put it on the HTML, I bet. It would not surprise me. And I'm not going to complain if it does, because that's fine. Oh, no, it's drawing a UI layer. Oh, look at that. Score and line. Yes. Yes, yes. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm having fun. Leave me alone. Oh, that's great. Okay. What are you doing? Stop it. Sweet. Now let's make each alien blasted worth 5 points. Or yeah, let's just try that for now. I started getting ahead of myself. I was like, well, what if they're worth more going over? But oh man, look at this. Did it work? Oh, it wasn't done. There we go. 5 points, 5 points, 10 points, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. This is great. Oh man. And just because I'm keeping track, we are only 40 minutes into this. This is kind of neat. Now I have my life has no more meaning. Okay. You are doing an amazing job. Glad you're enjoying the progress. Let me know what to add or improve next. Okay. What do we want to do? The lower the aliens get, the faster they should... Well, wait. Oh, yeah, no, when there's fewer. The fewer aliens that are left, the faster the group should move. Maybe... Yeah, whatever. Let it figure it out. Trying to think, like, how much should it move and stuff like that. Oh, why did I... Alright, fuck it. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Way too fast, way too quick. Fuck. Oh my god, this is real. Oh, no. Alright. Get a little bit of space. There we go. Oh, man. But that's okay. Whoa, too fast. Too fast. Too fast. Too quickly. Maybe slow down the rate of speed increase per alien lost. Fucking panic. Alright, now let's try it. Oh, no, they're moving a little faster. Just a little bit. Oh, fuck, this is actually getting challenging. You know you're doing good. So that last one should probably, when there is one ship left, let's make it move 30% faster. Let's see how that goes. Alright. Oh, I'm gonna regret this. Fuck. Whoa! What happened? What happened? I did not expect them to just fucking fall through the earth. What? What the fuck happened? Why did they do that? I should be looking at like what the code is doing. Maybe that would help. Are they gonna do it again? They gotta do it again. No, I hope it... Wait, what did... Maybe it was how I worded it. When there is one ship left, let's make it move 30% faster. The last remaining enemy now moves 30% faster, making the final moments of the game more intense. Let me know if there's more you'd like to... Yeah. This is our first bump in the road. You know what? Let's just do this. Let's re-roll. Let's re-roll it. Let it do it again. Let's see how it goes. Because that's one thing you can do is you can re-roll the response and maybe you get something that makes a little more sense. That's fine. We'll try it. I can't believe that happened. It was like the last thing I fucking expected. Is that faster? I really can't tell. Can we tweak this? Let's just tweak it here. Let's make it really obvious. 1.7%. Coming for you. Alright, it should be a really obvious speed up. Yeah, there you go. There we go. We'll keep it. So we'll just say over here 70% faster. Alright. So now let's... What do we want to do? We got a game. Okay. Let's change it from 4x4 to 8x4. I didn't say enemies. Oh, that's not good. We are with the Lollipop Guild. All right. So what did all it do? What did it do that's different here? All it did was change the number of... So it already had it in a variable. That's kind of cool. But why would adding more make it go faster? Speed has suddenly shot up. Why would... Just ask the Oracle. Why would adding more enemies speed it up? Let's see. The sudden speed increase is likely due to the logic for adjusting the enemy speed based on the number of remaining enemies. The formula for adjusted speed increases... Oh, look at that. Oh no, there's too many. Oh fuck, I'm dead already. This is too much. So let me because somebody has already created Space Invaders and tweaked the formula. Let's just see how many there are on the screen in a real Space Invaders game. Let's see. Put it over here. Let's see. Space Invaders 78. Alright, I'm looking for like a number so I don't have to count because I'm very fucking lazy. 5 rows of 11. Okay, there we go. Okay. Let's change it. Let's change it to 5 rows of 11 and make them closer together. Alright. See, they're moving. They're definitely going too fast. Look at. Okay. Their speed increase is far too fast. Too quickly. Let's greatly reduce the speed increase per enemy. Killed. Boo. There we go. Now the question is this going to feel good? Oh, they're definitely moving faster now. Alright. I wonder if they need to get closer. Yeah, still too much. Let's bring them closer together. Oh, look at that. That actually might be good. What is that? That's good. One problem. Eventually, no, one problem. As we get to fewer enemies, the entire group suddenly falls downward off screen. The issue is likely caused by the logic that moves enemies downward. As the enemy group shrinks, the remaining enemies may hit the wall more frequently. That's true. That does happen. I'll adjust the logic to ensure the group only moves downward when the entire group hits the wall. Yeah, no, you're already... Now it's dropping meat. Oh, it's doing something here. No. All right. Let's just do this. All right, how many? Let's count. 1. Oh no, it's just hitting the wall. Immediately as it hits the right wall. Now it's dropping the entire group off screen, downward immediately as it hits the right wall. The issue might be that the downward movement is being applied to all enemies when the group collectively hits the wall, even if the group is already near the bottom of the canvas. I'll add a condition to ensure that the group doesn't move downward if... It's... The entire group is still falling immediately downward. Rapidly. How do I word this? Because I can understand it misunderstanding this. It is supposed to move down when it hits the wall. It's no longer moving side to side. The whole group just crashes downward directly. Maybe that'll do it. The issue might be that the should change direction flag is being set incorrectly, or the logic horizontal is being skipped. I'll carefully review the logic. Blah, 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 blah. Still fucking doing it. Why is it doing this twice? Ooh, why are you doing it twice? Thank you for the reminder. I'll carefully review the logic and ensure the fix is concise and avoids unnecessary repetition. Let me address the issue properly. I mean, you say that. Jesus Christ. Why is it doing it twice, man? That's fucking weird. Ugh, shouldn't be doing that. Alright. Issue a total on his variables, roughly blah blah blah. I'll define it properly to fix the error. Alright. Okay. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna say We're just gonna keep it. And I'm gonna kill this. Shut up. We're gonna kill this entire chat because I wonder if we're exceeding some context issue where it's just starting to get stupid. Where can I? All right, let's just fucking kill it here. This will remove all subsequent requests. Undo 46 edits. Oh. Okay, I didn't realize that was going to happen. Fuck. Alright, let's... It's caused by the logic that moves the enemies downward in a direction. As a group sharing, so remaining enemies may hit the wall more frequently. That's not what the problem was. Alright, so let's take this one and kill it. Yeah, go ahead. Let's just see it work. It's working. Okay. Oh, and this is where when I kill too many of them, the whole group falls, right? This is where we left it? Why isn't it doing it? What the fuck, man? Alright, stop, stop, everybody stop! You are way too low, buddy. It just fell off the edge. Fuck! Alright. There it goes. Why does it fucking do that? Now let's try to reproduce it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. No, it's not doing it. If I don't do anything. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's not good. Oh, no. What are we doing? What are we doing? So this is not a very portable game. But that's okay. We're not going to sell this on Steam. Is it? No. Just want to see something. No. I'm trying to just find a pattern here. Anything? Just one? What if I miss? What if I just let it zing by your ear? What causes it? See, it's not the speed of them. God, this is fucking grotesque. It's not... Fine. 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 Fuck you! I caught that out of the corner of my eye. What a lousy bastard. What a bastard. Just fuck you. Oh, Lord. Oh, God. Alright. 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 Let's make the aliens rotate 10 degrees back and forth to simulate a march-like visual. It's purely cosmetic and should not be affected by... Should not... Yeah, it's purely cosmetic. It's good enough. I fucking believe it did that. Alright. Oh, look at that. A little back and forth. Look at that. 10%. It's just like I fucking wanted, man. That's sweet. That's not sweet, though. It's kind of scary when they do that. Zoom down. Yeah, we'll keep that. Maybe, alright, maybe... Fuck off. Maybe... 20%? 20 degrees? See if it's a little more dramatic. That would be... We'll see. And I have one more thing I want to change it to, and I think it's going to look cool. Oh, yeah. Yep. Ah, that's perfect. I love it. Let me know if you'd like to tweak this further. Anyway. Oh, yeah. They are currently all moving at the same time. I'm so mad that crept in there. All right. They are currently all moving at the same... they're currently all rotating. Marching. We'll say marching. Let's see if it gets that context. That we've just connected the concept of marching to that. They're currently all marching at the same time. Let's stagger how much of the degree turn they are in at the start. Yeah, they're still... no, they're actually slightly out of sync. Oh, it wasn't as much as I thought, but that's okay. But now let's try making their starting position in that rotation arc to be random instead. I think it'll understand what I meant there, right? Do you understand it? I don't even know if I understand it. Adios. I think it knew what I meant, though. Oh, I think. See, I figured they'd be all like a little... That's fine. It's fine. I like it. Or... The enemy now started at a random position within their rotation arc, creating a more dynamic and varied marching animation. Let me know if you'd like that more. We'll keep it. It's fine. It's fine. Now... Let's... What do I want to do now? Allow the aliens to fight back. Like they don't have a really cool weapon right there already. The aliens should shoot in a similar way to the player, but shooting downward. Only the bottom row should be... The bottom row of each column... Only the bottom row of each column should be allowed to shoot. there are at most only 3 shots. It's probably less than that in the real game. Shots on screen at any one time. Shit's about to get real. I mean, they're just gonna fucking right at me. I wonder if it's like going to automatically account for the number of lives. And when I die, it'll just decrement it. Because it's made those kind of leaps already. Where it's like, yeah, I know where this goes. Are they going to shoot? Oh, whoa! Yo! And they're red, too. Let's get hit. Yes, it did! It decremented the number of lives. It knows. It knows the game. It doesn't need to be... This is phenomenal. And what's going to happen when I get hit for real for the last time? Is it going to do something silly? That's amazing. Come on, take me out, you Klingon bastards. You killed my son. Look, guys, you have to shoot me. Come on. Odds are better. I'm under you. I'm under you. I'm under you. There it is. Game over! Oh, that's sweet. I love you, co-host. Co-pilot. Co-host. Oh, and it starts over too. That's sweet. That's woeful. I love it. Don't love that though. I was waiting for like a projectile to show up down here or something. It would be a weird bug or something. Okay. Well, shit. I wish we could keep those craft from doing that. I might actually have to go and program with my own 2 hands, and that makes me physically ill in this future world we live in now. But for real. Okay. Let's, fuck it. Let's incorporate a title screen that the player has to press fire to start. When the game ends, show the title again. And so on and so forth. Make me a title screen. This is all getting packed into one JavaScript file. So if we could find a way to use like an SVG or something for the art, we could make this all like one file. That would be cool. Space Invaders! Press space to start! Of course it's gonna work. Who the fuck are you kidding? Now will it end when I kill all of them? Because traditionally that is not the end of the Space Invaders. Gonna get tense, huh? Last one didn't speed up. Oh, fuck you! All right. Oh, there's a game over screen too. Oh my god, there's so many things we could do at this point, but I really want that to get fixed. Hold on a second. Okay, so I kind of stepped away for a bit because I wanted to see if I could just really quickly resolve this because it's becoming an issue. And I probably should have recorded it because it was interesting attempting to debug this using Copilot Edits. So what I ended up doing was I ended up tossing a few console logs. I said to it, show me insert console logs to help me debug an issue relating to enemy movement, and it gave me too much information. It had like a billion console logs, and the screen was just zooming by. So I said, let's get rid of these specific ones, but only mark down the major events that cause the shift. And I didn't quite get it, and what I ended up doing was I challenged it. I said, for debugging purposes, have it print in the log why it's changing direction. So it's not just here, print out a few numbers, it's explain yourself. And that worked. Kind of. So here's what's going on. It went back and we'll show a demonstration of it again in a second. But here it's saying, see, like when we start over here at the top, direction change triggered by last enemy in row at X equals, that's over here. Direction changed, enemies move down. Adjusted speed, 50, enemy direction, -1. It's going the other direction. Direction change triggered by first enemy in row at X equals -0.7. Okay, so now it makes sense. Now it's going to go back. It's going to go back and forth. But once we get down here, there's a certain one, and I think this is probably the first one. Direction change triggered by last enemy at row. Last enemy in row at X equals 287. Direction change, enemies move down. And then it does it again, and again, and again. But look at these fractions. I don't think I shot any of these. I wonder if that might explain. I definitely got to get rid of these fractions. These can't. I think we get rid of floating point. That'll probably help. Okay. So what's going on is that for whatever reason, it's being constantly triggered over here on this side, which is causing the whole thing to change direction, go down. But then we get to change direction again because it's still triggering over here, which is causing it to change direction again, which is causing it to go down again. That's why it goes directly down. And explaining it to it that's what was going on was a bit too much, I think. Let's get rid of floating point. That's a nice broad suggestion, and just use integer values. In fact, this is something I should have done a while back. In fact, let's change. This is going to be a radical change. Change the canvas to be 320 by 240 and have it scale to have it just scaled to the browser width. This is a tall order. Can you imagine if you had a junior program and you're like, do all this shit? Stand on your head while you're doing it. Stick a carrot in your ass. Oh, here we go. Look at that. Big chunk. And immediately go down. Okay. Let's reduce the size of everything by 50%. This is just gonna wreck it. I've made a mistake. I made a horrible mistake. Oh, and the ship does not have transparency. Damn. I bet we could get it to use a shader. I will leave it. Man, that took a while. Maybe it's looking through job website, trying to find a new job. I hate this motherfucker. Oh shit. Oh no! It's huger! This can't be right. The size of everything has been reduced by 50%. The canvas is now set. No, no. No, no. Keep the canvas at 320 by 240. The objects were simply too big on the screen. I mean, that's cute that it did that, but... Definitely feels like it's slowing down. I wonder if it's a context thing. Slowing down in my old age. Okay. Well, yeah, that's a little better, I guess. A little better. Alright. Okay, cool. But now, let's shrink the object sizes, everything down another 20%. No, wait. Let's do another 15%. Fucking quit! I think it would have been fun to try asteroids. But the real trick will come when I come up with an original idea and try to implement that. All right. I wonder if it's time to split this up into multiple files. Maybe that's causing some of the issues. Alright. They're not moving now. They're frozen. They're trying to spit down on me. Oh, what the fuck happened here? What happens if we resize this? It does redraw the background. I know it's looking shitty on the stream, but I'm actually resizing it here, and it looks good. Shit. Hold on a sec. Yeah, look at that. Looks good under Firefox. Pew pew pew. Pew 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 pew. See, that's what happens. You know you got something good when you're sitting there and just goofing off, playing the game that you wrote. That you wrote, quote unquote. Boy, that's gonna be a sticky, bunch of sticky shit going forward, huh? All right. Let's see. The enemies are no. Wait, it says 100%. 100. Oh, just to speak, because I've been killing them. Yeah, I get you. Yeah, I get you. Are no longer moving side to side. There's too many of them. Now there's too many of them for this resolution. Womp womp. Oh, there they go. Yeah. I wonder... Oh, we got rid of the floating point. We never got to see if that actually fixed anything. Alright. Great. Everything is running too fast now, though. Maybe slow it down 50%. See how that goes. A lot of waiting now. Sorry. I don't know. Maybe I hit some some quota. I don't know. Oh, come on. I'm doing literally no fucking work, and I'm already like, oh, I'm tired. This is boring. I don't like this job. Literally Jetsons push button shit. All right. There we go. Yeah, there you go. That's good. That's good. That's good. Okay. All right. Fucking sweet. So keep all that. Looking good. I'm going to say done there. So we start over with a brand new context. Because this looks good. This actually looks good. Ah! Fucking curses! You bastard! What causes this? I'm not even moving. I'm just gonna go and... I'm just gonna spam. Let's see if it... Make a hole. No, look at that. Look at that shit. What a stupid fucking thing. All right, you know what? I'm taking a break. You won't know it, but I will be right back. Well, I stepped away for a minute. Just got a snack. Took a rest. I'm gonna bring this back down here. The other thing is, I think I fixed it. I think, but instead of it, basically, I was noticed. I mean, if you're looking at this, it's like if the enemy's width is greater than whatever, if it's still going over the boundary, it's gonna still do. I don't know. It's point is that if you've gone over the edge, it's gonna reset you so that you're on the boundary, so that it can't. In case it's fine. I think I got it. But now I get a different issue, and that is when paused, the enemies and objects keep moving. The enemies and objects skip ahead. Let me show you. If I hit pause, game's paused, does that. It's like there's a timer that's still going and doesn't get paused. So what we'll do is, when paused, the enemies and objects jerk ahead in time as when unpaused, as if they're as if there is a timer still running or something. Oh yeah, Delta timer. I remember that. Ah yes, I remember Delta time. We had a good time. Delta time. Alright, let's see how that goes. Paused, unpaused, pause, unpause. Oh, fucking perfect. Alright, so let's see. What do we want to do next? Fuck off. Okay, now when any alien hits the... Any alien... I don't know if I should differ. Does it matter if it's any... If any alien hits the bottom, which realistically it's only going to be the bottom row, but whatever. When any alien hits the bottom row, it's game over. Yeah. I love this little cluster of stars over here. This is all supposed to be random, yet in randomness, we have these patterns. Pretty neat. Why is this? Alright, let's see how that goes. Any of them hit the bottom, it's a game over. It's a game over. Yeah, perfect. All right. Let's see. You know what? Let's actually play Space Invaders. Emulator online. Let's see how that goes. And we can do it this way. NES. That's fine. Same difference. All right. Let's see. How do I fucking start this? There we go. Alright, we're gonna ignore the bases. We know the bases exist. We were ignoring those on purpose. Boy, that is way slower. We gotta make it so that we can intercept the enemy projectiles. What are we looking for here? I'm fucking blanking here. Why do we do this? Alright. Ah, UFO! Oh. Alright. Well, since I can't remember why the hell I did this, let's go back over here. Keeping that. What am I missing? We should yeah, show me this. No, I don't want to play an ad. What the fuck your family car wash. Give me the actual fucking Space Invaders. It's not gonna be this, but somebody else's. I'm sure it's good enough. Ooh, that feels good. Should use this as the video thumbnail. See, we made a game. Well, to be fair, we didn't. This isn't that far off. This is addictive. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. All right. Jesus. What the fucking hell? Oh, they're just rotated. Why are they rotated like that? I mean, fair play, I'm dead, but Dude, I thought they were coming down this way. Like, why? Alright, alright. I see what happened. Oh, they're all just like that. Why are they sideways now? What happened? What happened? I stole that from somebody. I shouldn't be saying that. Alright. I think we can close this. Well, let's look. Like, what did we... Game now triggers a game over if any... Enemy rotation is broken now. I'll fix the rotation logic to ensure it works as intended. How do you know how I intended it? Alright, let's see. There they are, they're back. Excellent, excellent. Okay, so let's see. Let's make them more dense. Can we make the alien grouping more I just noticed a bug. Closer together by, let's say, 15%. Noticed a bug with because I'm resetting the X position. If the enemy goes over, it moved them over a tiny bit in the formation. But I am not gonna sweat that. Come on. Printing code. Alright. Is that a little better? Looks mostly the same. Alright. Let's greatly reduce the starting speed by, we'll say 50%. Because that is slow. Granted, this isn't the original Space Invaders, it's good enough. But that's because that's really slow. Boom, 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 boom. Oh. Oh, it's not done. Shit. I'm gonna go back over here. No, go away. Oh, he's got auto fire. See, this one only allows one shot per thing. Next time I'm going to start pausing this. Because these generations are getting too much. Alright. Alright, much slower. Ah, but then it ramps up much faster very quickly. God damn it. Gonna lose. Alright, let's have the aliens start a bit higher up on the screen. I don't think that's gonna help much. I wonder if I should reduce the, I can just manually reduce the enemy speed over here. Let's fucking do it. Shh, don't tell anybody. Don't tell anybody I did this. Alright, so the initial speed's not bad, like that. It's just, it has to ramp up slower. Alright. There it comes. Oh, look at my... Yeah, that's definitely much slower. Yeah, see, it's too fast. There's no human way that would ever... Okay, let's see. So, what do we want to do here? The speed increase per enemy. We already did a change like this earlier. The speed increase per enemy killed should be reduced by 75%. But that final last alien should be pretty fast. That's pretty fast metric, not imperial. See, this said it wasn't too slow. What the fuck's going on? All right. So there we go. We're taking a big chunk out. They're getting faster. I can feel it. They're getting faster. I can feel it. Oh, we're getting there. I'm not killing these last ones in the end fast enough. That's my fault. That's fair. I should be dead now. Oh, wow. Last one's way too fast. Fair enough. Nice. That last alien speed up, though. Let's reduce that by 20%. Holy fuck. Zoom it, man. Alright. See you when it's done. Okay, it's generating edits. Space Invaders. I'm a space invader, man. We gotta get the ones on the bottom and some on top. I should have got that last one. Fuck. No, you don't. No, you don't. Dead. You're all dead. Dead. Oh, no! Let it be known I have died in this game. In a game that did not exist an hour and 30 minutes ago. Am I gonna need infinite lives? Am I this bad? Alright, now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Oh, no. Okay, we can still get them though. Alright, so we'll keep that. Maybe another 20%? In context, another as in we had just decreased and now we're going to decrease some more. That makes sense. Unless it's like super fast now. I mean, let me take a look at like what the code actually looks like. With what it changed. So reduced alien speed. Further reduced by another 20%. Alright, whatever. Whoa. I gotta watch out. Watch out for those bullets. These aliens are armed. They have bullets. Hey-oh! I'm gonna get killed here, aren't I? Okay. That's not too bad. That actually feels pretty good. Oh, fuck. There we go. Okay, so we're good as far as this goes. I really could use some tweaks. Tweaks that realistically I would not be doing with Copilot. But that's not the goal of this project. Look at this arc. Look at that. Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Anyway. Let's see. See, if these were a little lower, down, we'd have that space for the UFO up here. So what do we want to do next? I genuinely don't know. Well, maybe we can, when aliens die, this is going to be tricky now. Make them turn explode by scaling them from their normal size. See, I don't want it to just flicker. I want it to, like, by zooming them larger, actually go from their original. Actually, a quick linear. How do I want to fucking phrase that? Quick linear move. No. When aliens die, what I want them to do is go like this. Scale them. Smoothly scale them. There we go. By smoothly scaling them up by, let's see how big we want it, by 25%, and fading them out. Fading their opacity out as it hits the largest size. This is gonna be fucking wild. Here it comes. Brace yourself. Brace the side of the camera. Hold up. Here it comes. Okay, here we go. Oh no! Oh, it's working! Oh, and it looks kind of cool too. Look at that! I mean, it's ridiculous, but okay. Awesome! Okay, now let's make the zoom, the explosion animate 75% faster. I live in the year 5000. Alright. It's not quite right. I mean, it works. It's exactly what I asked for, but it doesn't look as cool as I thought. I mean, it looks cool, but not in a I need this to explode kind of way. Let me think. What's a good... Maybe have like a particle explosion? Can we do that? Of course we can do that. Let's see. Maybe turn them white as they explode. I'm curious how that's going to go. I keep saying that, but I am genuinely curious how it's going to go. See, what's interesting about this whole thing is that it's not, you know, it's like if I was like when I did Unity, I used to code in Unity a lot, and you know, and I would improvise, I would riff on things, and you know, and I have ideas and stuff like that, but it would take me so long to, you know, like I get an idea, let's do this, let's do that, and then but for anything larger scale, you really kind of want to plan it out. And here, You can try all those weird things. You can say, hey, let's make them more dense. Let's make more of them here. Let's make them go this fast. Let's do this. Let's add this feature, you know, like that. It just doesn't. You don't have to, so that lets you explore your creative. Well, it's turning it white. That's fair. Because it's actually probably, because it's well, we're gonna fix that. All right. Looks like they're, it's rendering, it's not rendering the alpha when it turns white. So it looks like a square and not the sprite shape. No, you're gonna fix that. I'm not leaving that. Come on. And you can feel like a little man in the background going, oh. Please, let me go back home to my family. I don't want to be your code creature anymore. Come on. There we go. Yeah, fill rect is being used, which fills a rectangle instead of rendering the sprite shape. I'll update the explosion rendering to use the enemy sprite image with the white color applied and the proper alpha blending. Thank you! Oh, look at that! That actually looks cool! But it's not the right thing, it's pink. The explosions now render using the enemy sprite with a brightness filter applied, ensuring they appear white while maintaining the sprite shape with proper alpha blending. So it's almost there. God damn it, that's cool. All right, it almost works. See, it doesn't know that the aliens are purple. The aliens are the alien sprite is purple. This will be tricky. I'm letting it know that the alien sprite is purple, but with the brightness adjustment, it now fades into, and now becomes hot pink instead of white. So I assume you could either desaturate the image, bring desaturation down, or use a you can even use a shader, I think. All right, let's see how that goes. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh, I was blinded by the bright lights of the explosions. God damn, that's apocalyptic. Let's let it try that again. Holy shit. Oh god. Letting it trying something different here. We'll see how this goes. One more for the road. Oh, look at that. That really looks cool. That silhouette. Oh, look at that. It's like a mask. You had the alien going through it. That was kind of cool. Duck and cover. Oh my god. Oh, come on, man. Let's go. Generate those edits. Let's go. Chop, chop. Got things to do in the morning. And I don't have a predefined stop point for this project, so I don't know what the hell I'm doing. All right, here it comes. Jesus. That's still not doing it. No, this is causing the entire screen to flash white. Pausing. Okay, seems like it's come back now. That was one of the longest ones. That was quite a while now. It's probably not going to work. I think we've kind of... Oh, no, not quite at all. Well, it's better. Okay, that's almost okay. It's drawing white squares over the alien instead of... Can we instead just use a shader to render these sprites with their alpha, but white for every other pixel when exploding? Just dawned on me that I should specify whether we're doing it when it explodes or doing it whatever. Okay. Using a shader for rendering explosions will require WebGL or a similar graphics API. I'll implement a WebGL-based shader to render the sprites with their alpha. This will involve setting up a WebGL context. Oh my god, I'm destroying everything. I'm fundamentally redesigning the framework of the entire fucking game. I'm sorry. Is it done? Did it work? Well, it didn't work, but that's okay. The aliens just vanish with no explosion effect. No visible. The issue might be that the WebGL context is not properly integrated with the canvas rendering pipeline. Okay. So go do all that. You have used up all your code credits for the week. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It doesn't look good. It's gone through all that just for me to say, you know what? Never mind. It looks like crap. All right. Oh, you know what? It's not actually fading out. This works, but they do not fade out as the animation as the animation progresses. Note that I did not say the enemy explosion or anything like that. It's keeping track of the context of our discussion, which is neat. Okay. Come on, baby. Perfect. Now let's see. Awesome. Now let's make that animation go a bit faster. Like 50% faster. What are you doing? Oh, it's already doing something. Fuck, wait, what is it doing? It's thinking. Shut up. Did we... Oh, no, there we go. Oh, it's getting like an answer response. It's stupid. Alright, also must not make Yeti. Oh. See, now we've lost the context. Now I'm going to say explosion animation go a bit faster, like 50% faster. Sounds good. Adjust explosion animation to make it 50% faster by increasing the scaling and fading rates. Thank you very much. Okay. You know what? That's good enough. That's decent. It's not great, but that's alright. I like it. Because it's something I haven't seen before. Which means it's good. Alright. Shit. What do we want to do next? Actually, we're going to wrap this up pretty soon. But there was one thing I wanted to do, and I can't remember what the fuck it was. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Great. Now, if any of the aliens touch the player, it's game over. Yeah, that's reasonable. Because you get your lives that are only good while you're fighting it. Lose all your lives, it's game over. If they reach the planet, it's game over. If they touch you, it's game over. That makes sense. Okay, it's adding a collision check. And let's see if that works. Something's definitely hosed here. It's fucking weird. Alright. Come get me. You big stupids. Come on. You know you wanna. Oh, game over. Well, that's where I'm gonna pause this. I may do some more with this later on my own, but pretty goddamn successful, I'll tell you that. That wasn't too bad. You want to talk about, like, you know, prototyping something out like this, you know, like, and being able to just, like, it's like being on a holodeck. Computer, do this, move this over there, put Sherlock Holmes over there, you know, make a Sherlock Holmes that Moriarty can't defeat. I don't know. Anyway, all right. So that's about that. I don't want to say I'm not going to make a regular thing out of this, but I almost skipped out tonight because I just wasn't feeling playing Atomfall. It's not Atomfall's fault. I just wasn't feeling it. I got stuff coming up tomorrow. But this felt like something I could do. And I actually thought this would have ended a little sooner. It's only an hour and a half. It's only 2 hours of video, but I've been. It's a little more time that has passed than that. But that's okay. This was fun. We'll do it again sometime. If I come up with an idea of something we can try to squeeze out of Copilot Edits. I especially want to try it when when agent mode kicks in. And I'm trying to see if I can get the you can change what model gets used, and I want to see if we can switch it to Claude. I don't know if Claude is an option. I think it is, but whatever. So I'm done for today, and I'll see you next time. It'll either be sometime this weekend, maybe, depending on how things shake out on Saturday. But one way or the other, the next potential day is Monday. I say potential because I skipped that on 2 out of the 3 this week. Not good. So anyway, see you then, and stay safe out there, folks. It's fucking crazy.